PNG is a standard image format. If it won't open, your file isn't broken. Your Windows Photos app is corrupted. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's reset the app data to fix it instantly. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor PNG errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. The technical specification confirms the PNG is a specific instance of a raster image file. It adheres to the strict design rules of the Portable Network Graphics format. The PNG Portable Network Graphics file is an open standard raster image format known for lossless compression. It is primarily used for graphics that require transparent backgrounds and high-quality representation of logos, charts, and digital art. Governed by the W3C, the format's design is based on the deflate compression algorithm and supports 24-bit color. Its integrity relies on chunk-based structure, IHDR, PLTE, IDAT. This design ensures that every pixel is perfectly preserved, resulting in a larger file size than a lossy JPG image. There's a proprietary link between the PNG format and Adobe Photoshop by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows provides only a lightweight viewer, so full editing belongs in photo editing programs. Your first step in unlocking the file: right-click the PNG file and select Open With. Prioritize Adobe Photoshop if you see it. If not, select another program. A systematic approach is best here. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, use Alternative Viewer. If the default viewer fails, open the file using a universal image viewer like IrfanView, XNView, or any modern web browser. Next, check for corruption. If the file shows up as a blank icon, try re-downloading it or ask the sender to export it again, as the file may be corrupt. Finally, use Image Editor Repair. Open the file in an image editor like GIMP or Photoshop, which can sometimes load partially corrupted files and allow you to resave the image. When no common method works, the file's resistance requires a tool engineered for maximum compatibility with unusual formats. It's your best option. Stop wasting time on other tools. I recommend FileMagick, the universal viewer that works on the PNG format. Go to filemagick.com to download now. Like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Check out the link in the description for FileMagick.